And a peril, I think. Right, so we still have this going on. Did we have that painted on before? There's definitely a flow going on. Absolutely chock-a-block with leaf as well. But it's been a constant flow, as you can see down here on this road, all the way down past the bridge. I mean, you can still see the flow marks. Huh. Not quite sure what's going on with that drain down there, but it's on the wrong side of the road. And even I'm not stupid to go and look at that drain from here. I mean, seriously, what's been going on with these? And we have a guy just happens to pull up on the road, on a public pathway. How crazy is that? I mean, seriously. I mean, there's a car park just around the corner there. Hiya. Are you checking the drains?
No, I'm just going to do that pothole.
What, you're not going to fill it in?
No, I'm not going to fill it in. I've got a work programme to asphalt around that cover. Someone's complained about the potholes.
Have they?
Yeah.
Yeah, a bit dangerous for motorcyclists though, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that certainly needs complaining about. It's like that drain up there as well, that's all running down.
Yeah, that's hanging water, that is.
What, that does the drains?
No, that's that cover. That's been hanging water now by that.
Do they? Well, they don't bugger all about it.
No, they don't. Not for a while anyway.
So how long is this going to take before... What's the couple of weeks? The road ain't got to be shut off or anything, is it?
No, traffic is.
Is it just the job when they come along and just patch it? They ain't got to...
Yeah, they'll take up an asphalt.
Right near the bridge. We're just cones. Oh. It's going to be an interesting one. Got an island right there as well. And oh boy, that's going to be an interesting fixture. Honestly, right near the bridge, which will probably hold up all this road and will get people driving in the middle of the A149. That's going to have to be... Do you know, if it's not one thing, it's a bloody another, innit? dangerous, and yet it so is inconvenient when it needs to get fixed. Right. That is going to be so interesting. What do you reckon? Do you think they're going to close off the path as well? I can already see the issues. Interesting. Interesting. Right, need to crack on. If anybody happened to have come across a chickens are for life, hens are for life bag, tote bag. I did have a packet of something inside, but I lost it. Has anyone come across it? I want my chicken bag back. I'm not sure I can get another one. But in the meantime, watch this space. A hippo.